today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies. And I have one more, but it's in my dance bag and it's over there somewhere and I can't find it. So I have a milk squishy, so squishy! And I have a pear, so squishy! And we have this a little piggy that's wrapped in a hot dog with pink syrup. What? And I can squish it. Ooh. Then this popsicle, you gotta be really careful. And yeah, it's popsicle. I squish it. And this half of a watermelon. It's so good. And I love this one. And then this one kind of broke on accident. And yeah, it still squishes really good. I have a French fry, squish, and I have cupcakes over there and the squish is really good. I had to throw a donut one away because somebody accidentally on the stage, so I let somebody play with it. Her name's Aria. She accidentally broke it, so I had to throw it away. But yeah, and my favorite one would be actually this one. Well, not that one, actually. This one, then 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 this one. You know why I like this one the most? Because, I mean not the most, I mean the least. And because I can't like squish it like this or like that or it'll break. That's all. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Oh, what about this?